Hey beauty babes, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back. If this is your very first video of mine, go ahead and consider subscribing. Don't forget to hit that bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I upload. If you guys want to see how I created this beautiful look using a full face of impressions and my thoughts on it, then go ahead and stay tuned. So lately I've been buying a lot of makeup, and instead of just sitting down and doing a haul, I thought I would do a full face full of impressions and kind of trying on all the new makeup that I've been buying. Now this is a little bit from high-end to some drugstores, and don't mind my greasy face. I will have a skincare routine coming up very soon. The first product that I'll be trying is this Born This Way multi-use sculpting concealer, and this is the collab with Jackie Aina. They came out with like all new shades, and for this product to be a concealer, it comes with a lot of product. So the color I'm in is Mocha, and I already have the foundation. I absolutely love the foundation. The next new product we'll be trying out is the Huda Beauty setting powder, and this is in the color Cinnamon Bun. I actually cheated and used this a couple of times before I did this video, and I absolutely love it. It has replaced my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I really like it. The only thing I didn't like about it, and I think this is like overall, it has a little bit in all her products, it has some kind of scent, and I was like very hesitant about trying that out first because I have very sensitive skin, so anything that has scents or anything bothers me a lot. But this product right here, I absolutely love it. It doesn't have any, like, it doesn't give you flashback. It goes on perfectly, and it sets your face like matte, which I really like, because as you can see, I pile a lot of product and moisturizers on my face before I apply my foundation. And then let's just get into the packaging. Like, I love this. It has like a little mesh thing right here where you can just like grab your beauty blender or you grab your blush and just, you know, push it in there to get some product. So I really like it because that means it's not gonna go everywhere when you open the product. When you put it upside down and you tap it just a little bit to get some product and you come back out, you can see it's like a tiny little bit that came out. So I really like that because that doesn't waste any of the product. Now that we have a base for our eyeshadows, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into a palette that I recently got from Ulta. And this is the I Love Sara Lee and Dose of Colors, the first collection, I believe. It's not the second collection. And I just got just the actual palette because they didn't have the whole collection in Ulta, and this is what caught my eye. And I absolutely love the colors that it has on here. Let me just do a little bit swatching for you guys. Like, that is absolutely beautiful, so I cannot wait to try this product. I was going to use this color right here, but I feel like I want to do more fall appropriate look, but I might still somehow incorporate this look, so we'll just see what I come up with. The first color I'll be using is this color right here, and I'll be putting that on my crease. And since this has like all shimmer shades, I'm going to be jumping into one of my other palettes to get a brow bone color. Honestly, my favorite absolute out of this world brow bone color is from the palette Modern Renaissance. It is the color Golden Ochre right here. And then next we're going to be going with this gold color right here. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut my crease with the Born This Way concealer. And from first impressions, I have to say this palette is really pigmented. Like, and I love how it doesn't have any fallout. Like, I've had absolutely zero fallout. And then we're going to go back to our eyes after we finish with the rest of our face. So now, I don't have a new eyeliner. I will be using the Fly-liner from Fenty. I don't know if I ever talked about this eyeliner, but I absolutely love it. It feels like you are putting nothing on, and it's like super black. So this is definitely like a great pick-me-up. Next thing I picked up is the Nars Climax mascara, and let's just talk about this packaging right here. Like, how adorable is this packaging? It's like super cute and super chic. So I absolutely love this mascara. This is what the wand looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and coat my lashes for some falsies. And then next I'll be using the CoverFx Color Corrector in orange. And I recently picked this up during the VIB sale, and I just kind of wanted to try a different color corrector. And I really like it because it doesn't leave your face like super orangey, and it's really creamy. So I really like that about it. And it blends in like really well. The foundation I'll be using today is the Becca Skin foundation, which is weightless blur foundation infused with glow nectars, brightening complexion. And so I'm really excited to try this foundation. It has vitamin C, cold pressed avocado, and melon blend, and bitter ginger. And this foundation is supposed to be like skin-like, so I'm really excited to try it. Weird fact, I have the other foundation from Becca, the one that came in the dark tube with the silver lid. I will leave a picture somewhere on the screen. But that one I'm in the color tobacco. So when I went to go get this one, I was looking for the color tobacco, and they didn't have it. So I was like, that's kind of weird. Like, why would they skip a whole color? So I actually had to get rematched for this, and I'm in the color maple. This foundation does come with 1.23 fluid ounce, which is a little bit bigger than most foundations. So it's kind of thick, and it's not like water consistent. So we'll see how this goes on. And I kind of just took 3 pumps just to start with. So off of first impressions, because of the consistency, it's kind of hard to blend. So you kind of have to like really like push your beauty blender in. So the foundation does say it's a breathable, medium coverage liquid foundation with a buildable finish that enhances the natural beauty of your skin. So that I completely agree with it. It really is medium coverage, and personally I like a full coverage. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 more pumps. And then we'll see how that looks. So this is with the 2 pumps that I took, and there's that much left. So I only used, I believe, like a pump maybe. So I believe there's still a little bit more. So I think with 3 pumps that I got the coverage that I like, which is pretty full coverage. So just off of first impressions, I really like the foundation. It really is weightless. It does feel like I have nothing on, so I really like that. So the next thing we're going to go in is with the Born This Way concealer, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight. I'm going to go ahead and blend out the concealer and the foundation so that everything can blend in perfectly. Another cool product that I got, which I felt like was really cool, because as many of you guys know who watch me, I don't necessarily bake my face. I kind of just press in the powder and set it. I don't like baking. I don't like how it looks on my face. I don't like the texture it gives me. So this is the Becca Under Eye Brightening. So I set my under eyes and everywhere I highlighted with this first, and then I go in with my setting powder, which is going to be the Huda Beauty. And just look at the difference between this eye and how much brighter it is that I set, and this one that I still haven't set. Then while I let that set, I'm just going to take another fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take some of my Huda Beauty setting powder in cinnamon, and I'm just going to go over all the places that I set. And then I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and go ahead and set the rest of my face. So now that we're done setting our face, I'm going to be taking the MAC Graph Black, which is just like a eyeliner. And then we're going to be taking that teal color from the Dose of Color and smoking out our bottom lash line. And then next I'm going to be applying my lashes. Information on all the lashes that I've been using in most of my recent videos will be out so soon. I can't wait to share that information with you guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply my lashes, and I'll be right back. And now to finish our face, I honestly have not gotten a new bronzer. I am obsessed with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer in Cappuccino. And now for our highlighter, I recently picked up the Lancome Click and Glow, and it's just like a pen, and it looks like this, and it's so adorable. And it's an illuminator highlighting skin glow. This is in the color number 2. So it just gives you a very, very subtle look, and I guess you could like add more however you want it, but this will be really, really perfect as a base, or the days you're just kind of going for a little bit of a glow, but not like super, super highlighted, as you can see. But of course, I am going to add a lot more. And so one of the last products that I feel like I have been super, 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 super excited about is the Laura Mercier setting powder in the Glow. Now this powder is not something that you put all over your face, which, I mean, I probably would just for like an extra night, but I honestly want to use it as a highlighter because I swatched it and I think it's absolutely beautiful, especially on like the brown skin. Oh, I can't like get enough words out for me to describe this product. And it just comes in the same packaging that the Laura Mercier translucent powder comes in, but it's just like super glowy and pretty. And so then when you open it, it has the same applicator. And I just go ahead and put some on my lid, and now to finish off our look, before we set it, I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. And I'll be using the color, the lip liner Night-moth from MAC. And I went ahead and I picked up the Rihanna Fenty in UnVeil. This is just like a really, really nice rich brown. You guys know I'm obsessed with my brown lip from Anastasia Beverly Hills in Rust. So I really, really wanted to try this out. And this looks like it's a little bit like a lighter, more wearable brown. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's it for my video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you in the next one.